Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this morning update, let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Micron, Intel, and S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. So, starting off with Tesla right away, once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Now, as I have been saying that overall this is just a rebound, and today we are seeing just that very red candle come back in again, right? And intraday, we'll take a look at that in just a second. Now, overall structure will start to become interesting as how many red days we get now further. And we'll take a look at, as I said, lower time frame just in a second. That will give us more clarity. If Tesla can eventually form some pivots here, can consolidate more, that may be a start again on the overall structure, that it's a real uptrend. Right now, it's just been a rebound on the intradays, and that's what I have been saying on the daily interval. And today we are seeing that we do have a red candle. So which means the rebound is completing itself, and overall structure that has been bearish is taking its, again, the strength, the shape, right? So we are not fully in a dire situation, but at least 348 above, there's still a chance for the bulls if they can turn around here for the rebounds only, though. Now that was the level I gave you, 348. We are still above that, though. If we lose it, definitely we're just gonna come much more lower. So this is one of the areas, if this near-term higher lows and higher highs, if it can hold, even though we have lost a reference line, but there's still a chance that at least for another day, which may be today, a rebound here can set up and build up, and then we'll see if it retests the supply zones area because it lost the trend. But there's still a possibility, and that's why $348 level is what I mentioned. Now, as for the day trade full on, right, like if you have access to my tools as well, I just showed you the areas, the levels, but also for the day trade, or you can use this tool for swing trade, long-term trade, whatever. For particularly the day trade, if I show you on Tesla, you can see we remained red and are below the cloud as well. Even right now, we are just in the red structure. All right, so things are not back for the day trade. It's a short play. It's very clear. It's right in front of you, as I just showed you, right? It's just a short play. So we'll see if rebound comes, but the possibility of rebound, if first of all, we'll have to see where it consolidates, builds itself up, and then that area 348 and 60 cents is the area to watch. If we lose it, then definitely levels below like 342, but that will just be again a rebound for the day. Overall, though, today we are just continuing short on the day trade as well from the beginning, because now overall structure, look at that red candle come in. Overall structure is taking its precedence, its importance, because overall we have remained bearish on Tesla, at least on the passive mode. And I'm just going to turn on my tools here as well, and we are still bearish. If you need access to my tools together with, and not just 45 plus stocks coverage, now there's 50 plus stocks coverage, so you can pick and choose your what membership you want. Details, check out the details in the description of this video if you are interested. We have been making a lot of good big moves, like BABA, 50% plus already, and there's some like 100% plus. I mean, come on, you gotta check it out, guys. All right, okay, so Tesla, that's Tesla for the day, and let's get to Nvidia. So Nvidia overall has remained bullish, and as I have said yesterday as well, we are still in the bullish structure. Pullbacks, look for a buy. You can see the structure is also bullish here. Nothing to fear, nothing to worry about. Hourly interval as well, we are just fine, guys. As I said, any pullback, even today, even if it comes until 133 and 80 cents, just a buy. Right, look at it. We are just right up from there. Before even that, we just continued higher. Nvidia is just bullish. It's just easy peasy. All right, it's just easy peasy. Proper uptrend, and you can see on my tools as well. I just turned it on, and one big move was right down from there. You can see from here on, and then we are right now. Yes, we had some of those cool offs, which this very day I mentioned that to you, that we are doing a pullback and intraday it's a short play, and then thereafter we held on to the cloud, and continued higher. And I'm showing you this on hourly interval. So you can use these tools on across any interval that you prefer and choose and like, right? All right. So that's Nvidia still bullish, nothing to worry here. The good ones now, like AMD and SMCI, guys, let's get to those. AMD today also trying to come back up. It's still seeing that overhead pressure of a sell-off, and because it's trying to turn around, okay? And when a ship needs to turn around, there's a lot of energy that goes, all right? So right now, buyers are just slowly and slowly taking out suppliers, or sorry, sellers, and we need to, well, if I can close today above 112 and 76 cents, it's a good continuation in this direction. Intraday, we have been holding that trend line that I provided you today also, and that pretty much what could have been used to make a decision. Now, definitely, as long as we hold this trend line, that's great. Please, AMD close above 112 and 80 cents. If AMD can do that today, we are in a better shape. If we lose it, it's not good. Not bad, but weakness is there below 112 and 80 cents. We need to close above it. If we close above it, we are in a better shape on AMD. Okay, so let's see. But anyways, that's what I want to talk about AMD. Let's get to SMC. Well, yeah, AMD will need some more time to strengthen itself out, but it's a start. It's a start. We'll see. As long as the structure holds, that's the point. All right, SMCI. So SMCI, guys, look, I have been saying this thing. All right, I have been saying these things from very $30. Guys, this is going to go up. All right, and thereafter, from here, I'm like, guys, this is gonna go up massive. Like, gave you this level 37 and 30 cents. I mean, I didn't give you this level. My tools gave you this level, right? So now, as I have said, $50 is the area we are getting to, and we are getting just there. So look at the beautiful move today, and it's looking really nice, guys. Really bullish. $50. Keep an eye on that. Some pullback is possible there. And as if we break out above $50 with 200 days moving average, it opens up the doors to 65 and so forth. But yeah, overall it's bullish. And on hourly interval, yep, looking great, guys. As I said today, also in the yesterday video, that pullbacks are just a buy on this thing. As long as we are above 40.53, above this, we should only look for the bullish plays. And we are bullish, guys. Above that only we got bought back up from one of the another levels up there. And because we are bullish, so we don't know how much pullback would come, right? So it's all about sizing in and sizing out your position. And once we even got a breakout, like that was a no-brainer for day trade, right? Like, I mean, I can show you my tools on 5 minutes as well for that. But I mean, just plug and play, right, yourself, right? It doesn't matter because, if you remember. Okay, ARM. Okay, so with ARM, I made a bold statement yesterday, and seems like I might need to, take back my statement. I made a statement, guys, look for a buy after this candle. So I'm not going to take my statement back because I still think this thing can turn around. This is a good demand zone. Now, we'll see though. But size out the position if the structure is not holding, right? And definitely, I don't want to see this such a gap down in a red candle. That's not good. So let's get to the hourly interval. I want to see more price action there. And the problem that I would consider, and that's why it's important to, once the structure loses, then we gotta stay out or get out. So for today, I mentioned that, guys, this was the zone 161 area to 159 to 161. As long as we hold above it, technically we are fine. The way the candles have like sold it off, I'm not really keen on really buying it here. Yeah, I'm not really keen on buying it here. What I want to see it, if it stabilizes here and if it can get above this 161 and 21 cents, then I'm interested. But yesterday was a day trade uptrend play, no questions. All right, during that time. Now, the proper uptrend play for me will be if without further breaking below, we can get above 161 and 17 cents. Is my take on ARM. All right, so that's ARM. Let's get to Micron. So Micron finally gapped up above that area of 96 and 60 cents. So all good, all great, guys. And well, as long as we now stay above that, technically structure is, you should look for the uptrend structure with the stop loss somewhere below like 95.36 cents. So that's a good gap that it did. So that's what I want to see. Intel, oh no, this thing is doing a pullback. Well, at 200 days moving average. That's fine, guys, in this structure though. Again, this may be it for Intel, okay? This may be it for Intel, but we'll see. As long as though we hold about 22 and 39 cents, we are still technically structurally bullish on this thing. And let's see if it stabilizes here. Yeah, that's why I say keep taking partial profits, especially at these important significant levels, together with when you see a confluence with especially 200 days moving average. You should take more partial profits, right? So things like that. And then we'll see where it stabilizes, and that area could be a time to reload, right? But yeah, it's all about risk management. All right, that's Intel. Let's take a look at NASDAQ 100 and S&P 500. NASDAQ 100 looking beautiful, ready to rip up. It says low, unstoppable. Well, we will have to see, but the point is we are in the bullish structure on NASDAQ 100. That's the point. At this point, anything even above 527.69 cents is technically still a bullish structure on NASDAQ. And also on S&P 500, this thing already, oh well, it did test the all-time highs already. Yeah, and guys, anything not just 600 anymore, even 605 and 47 cents above, we just bullish on this thing. Continues to structure will remain fine even until actually 600 will be just fine. Even if that pullback happens, I don't expect that happening, but hey, anything is possible. So it's all about risk management, as I said, right? So, and trading with the structure, staying with the structure. All right, that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, check out the details in the description of this video. I need to update the screen because it's not 45 plus stocks anymore. It's 50 plus stocks, okay? So, okay, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care, bye.